Hello, welcome back to INCG Max. Today we are looking at a Olympiad problem. Eliminate ABC from homogeneous equations. X equal to A by B minus C, Y equal to B over C minus A, Z equal to C over A minus B, where A, B, C are not equal to 0. So we are doing in two models. So if it is given in multiple choice, the second model is will be useful. So as you are going to solve this problem, before starting, pause the video for 10 seconds and try it. Okay, and also if you are new to the channel, please subscribe the channel and give it a thumbs up. It will appreciate us to make more videos. More than 500 Olympiad problems are uploaded. Go through them. Thank you. So here given x is equal to a by b minus c. That implies a is equal to xb minus xc. That implies a minus xb plus xc equal to 0. Similarly, y is equal to b by c minus a. Then this can be written as b minus cy plus ay equal to 0. Let it be second one now. In the same way, z is equal to c by a minus b. So c by a minus b means here c minus az plus bz is equal to 0. So here he is asking to eliminate a, b, c. So how to eliminate? So by eliminating a, b, c from 1, 2 and 3, we get det equal to 0. So how will you write this? Det values means the quotients of A, B, C. The quotient of A is 1. The quotient of B is minus x. The quotient of C is x. Here if we take quotient of A is y. Quotient of B is 1. Quotient C is minus y. In the same way, here the quotient of Z is A is minus Z. The quotient of B is Z. And the quotient of C is 1. Now here you have to find the det value. So here what will get here? 1 into 1 plus zy plus x into y minus zy plus x into yz plus z equal to 0. Now if you open the brackets, 1 plus zy plus xy minus xyz plus xyz plus xz equal to 0. Plus xyz minus xyz cancel. Xy plus yz plus zx equal to minus 1. So we'll go to the second model. So second model they will ask to find okay, same question they will ask to find xy plus yz plus zx value. So here x into y ab by b minus c ab by b minus c into c minus a plus bc by c minus a into a minus b plus ac by b minus c into a minus b. Here you have to take LCM. So here you will get LCM a minus b, b minus c, c minus a. Here you will get AB of a minus b plus BC of b minus c plus AC of c minus a. Now here what will get a square b minus ab square b square c minus bc square plus ac square minus a square c by ab minus ac minus b square plus bc into c minus a. Now the numerator won't change. A square b minus ab square b square c minus bc square plus c square a minus ca square by minus of a square b minus ab square plus b square c minus bc square plus c square a minus ca square. So the numerator denominator will get cancelled. We'll get xy plus yz plus zx is equal to minus 1. I hope you understood the video. Thank you for watching INCG Max Olympiad. If you like the video, subscribe the channel and share the video to your friends. Once again, thank you for watching INCG Max Olympiad.